Here's a question I get asked all the time. How much does it cost to run my air conditioning system? All right, before we get there, let's start with something we can compare it to. One light bulb to run for 1 hour will cost you 1/10 of a penny. So we're always, telling our kids, cut that light off, because we want to save as much money as we can. The air conditioner will cost you 45 cents to run it for 1 hour. If it's not running properly, it can cost you up to $1.10 to run for an hour. So you're looking at a difference from a light bulb, which we all know shouldn't stay on. We need to cut those off. 1/10 of a penny to run it for an hour versus the air conditioner, 45 cents. That's 450 times the cost of running one light bulb. So you want to make sure that air conditioner is running properly, that you're not spending any more money on it than you should. One way to do that is to call us, have us come out. We'll check it. We'll make sure it's running properly. We'll make sure you're saving as much money as possible by getting that thing to run cleanly and efficiently. All right, hopefully that tip helps you. Have a good day.